Question number 7. In each of the exercise 7 to 12, find the equation of the parabola that satisfies the given condition. Seventh one, focus 6 comma 0, directrix is x is equal to minus 6. Let me make a note of whatever is given to me. Focus is given and dielectrics is also given, right? Now, where does the focus lie? Now I can write focus lies since focus lies on the x-axis. Focus lies on x-axis. How do I know that? Because dielectrics is given as x is equal to minus 6. The focus should lie on the x-axis, right? Now, since it lies on the x-axis, the equation of parabola can be either of y square is equal to 4ax or y square is equal to 4ax with a negative sign. Since it lies on the x-axis, I can write x-axis over here. The equation of the parabola, it is going to be y square is equal to 4ax, or it can be y square is equal to minus 4ax as well. If the focus was lying on y-axis, then the equation of parabola could have been x square is equal to 4ay or x square is equal to minus 4ay. So in this case, these two can be the equation of parabola, but I have to be sure which one is going to be the correct one, right? Now, that I can find out using the dielectrics again. Directrix is minus 6. So where does minus 6 lie? Can I tell that x is equal to minus 6 lies on left side of y axis? Negative value of x always lies to the left of the y axis, right? Since it lies on the left of the y axis, I can tell the equation of the parabola is going to be y square is equal to 4ax with a positive sign. Y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax. Now, what is going to be the value of a? A is already known, right? Dielectrics is given as minus 6, right? If it is equal to minus 6, what is going to be the value of a? A is going to be 6, right? A is going to be equal to 6. Substituting the same over here, y square will be equal to 4 multiplied by 6 multiplied by x. I can write y square is equal to 24x. This is going to be the final equation of the parabola. Okay. Similarly, we will move on to the next question. I can write this lies on the left side of the axis, and always your focus is taken as a comma 0, a comma 0, right? Focus is taken as a comma 0. From here I'm getting the value of a. Focus is already given, so I can write a comma 0. This can be taken as the focus, which is 6 comma 0. This is how I'm getting a is equal to 6. Let us move on to the next question. Question number 8. Focus is given and directrix is also given. Directrix is given as y is equal to 3, right? Since y it is equal to 3, it lies on which axis? The focus will lie on the y axis. I can start by writing focus lies on y axis. Since the focus lies on y axis, your equation of parabola, it can be x square is equal to 4ay, it can be x square is equal to minus 4ay. There are two possibilities. Now I have to find out which is going to be true, which is going to be equal true. Here the, since the sign of the directrix is positive, I can write this way. Sign of directrix is positive. If it is a positive value, equation is going to be a negative value. Basically the opposite. Similarly, we had in this question as well. Directrix was a negative value, right? Our equation was a positive value. So the sign of directrix, if it is a positive value, the equation is going to be a negative value. Which is going to be the negative value over here? It is going to be the second one. It is going to be the second one. So I can write x square is equal to minus 4ay is going to be the equation of the parabola. What is going to be the value of a? Focus is already given to, focus is 0 comma minus 3, right? Focus can be taken as for x square is equal to minus 4ay. For this particular equation, the focus is going to be 0 comma minus a. 0 comma minus a. This and this 0 comma minus 3 and 0 comma minus a, equating these both, I will be getting the value of a as 3. Substitute the same in this particular equation. X square is going to be minus 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by y. Finally, I will be getting the equation of the parabola as x square is equal to minus 12y. This is going to be the equation of parabola. We will move on to the next one. Vertex is given. In this case, the vertex is given and the focus is given. They have not given the directrix. Right? Now, since the vertex is given to us and focus is given to us, it lies on the x-axis. Since the focus is given, it is 3 comma 0, I can tell that focus lies on positive x-axis. I can write focus lies on positive x-axis. Now, since it lies on positive side of x-axis, which is going to be the equation, since it lies on the x-axis, it should be y square is equal to 4ax. Since it lies on the positive side, it should be y square is equal to plus 4ax. This should be the equation of the parabola. However, the vertex is already given, right? Sorry, vertex is taken as 0 comma 0. Next, what is given? Focus is given. So I can write from focus is 3 comma 0, which can be equated to a comma 0. From here, I will be getting the value of a as 3. Substitute back the value of a in the equation of the parabola. You will be getting y square is equal to 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by x. Y square is equal to 12x. This is going to be your equation of parabola. We will go to question number 10. Again, vertex is given as 0 comma 0, focus is given as minus 2 comma 0. Again, the focus will lie on the positive axis of the parabola. We know the vertex of the parabola is 0 comma 0, right? Focus is going to lie on the positive axis of parabola. Now I can write the same. Sorry, it is going to be on the negative side, right? Yeah. Focus lies on negative side of x axis. Now, next, Since it lies on the negative side of x-axis, since it lies on the x-axis, the equation is going to be y square is equal to 4ax. Since it is negative, I should be taking a negative sign. This is going to be the equation of parabola. I can write the focus. Focus is already given to me. The focus is minus 2 comma 0, right? And what is going to be the value of a? Focus for y square is equal to minus 4ax is going to be minus a comma 0. From here I can get the value of a. A is going to be equal to positive 2. Negative a and negative 2 is going to be getting cancelled. We are left with a is equal to 2. The same thing can be substituted back in this particular equation. Upon substituting, I will be getting y square is equal to minus 4a multiply, sorry, it is minus 4 multiplied by 2. A value is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by x. Y square is equal to minus 8. This is going to be the final answer. This is going to be your final answer. We will go to question number 11. Vertex 0 comma 0 and passing through 2 comma 3 and axis is along x-axis. Again, what we have to do in this question is, in each of the question we have to find the equation of the parabola, right? Vertex is given and a point which passing through is given, and the axis is also given. Now the axis is given as x-axis. It is already given as x-axis. Since the axis is given is x-axis, equation either it can be y square is equal to 4ax, or it can be y square is equal to minus 4ax. If it is along y-axis, then your equation can be x square is equal to 4ay or x square is equal to minus 4ay. In this case, since the axis is along, it is along x-axis, the equation can be y square is equal to 4ax, or it can be y square is equal to minus 4ax. The given parabola, it passes through the point, right? The given parabola, it passes through the point, that is what is given, which is 2 comma 3, right? 2 comma 3. Now this equation of the parabola must satisfy this condition of x and y. Let me make a note of that. X comma y can be taken as 2 comma 3, meaning that x can be taken as 2, y can be taken as 3. X can be taken as 2, y can be taken as 3. The same thing I will be writing down. If y is equal to 3, so 3 square is equal to 4 multiplied by a multiplied by x, right? What is the value of x? The value of x is 2. So I will be getting 9 will be equal to 8a, and a is going to be equal to 8 over 9. It is going to be 8 over 9. Next, the value of a I have already got. I have to substitute the same in the equation of parabola. In the equation of parabola, the same I will be getting, yes. Yes, sorry, I have written ulta. Yeah, it is going to be 9 divided by 8. Yes, divide 8 by on both sides, it is going to be 9 divided by 8. The same thing you have to be substituting back in this equation. You will be getting y square is equal to 4 multiplied by a is going to be 9 divided by 8 multiplied by x. This is one time and this is two times. You will be getting y square is equal to 9x divided by 2. Cross multiplying, you will be getting 2y square is equal to 9x. 2y square is equal to 9x. This is going to be your final equation of the parabola. Moving on to question number 12. Vertex 0 comma 0 and it is passing through 5 comma 2 and symmetric with respect to y axis. Symmetric with respect to y axis. It is given that it is symmetric with respect to y axis. Since it is given that it is symmetric to y axis, the equation of the parabola, either it can be x is equal to 4ay, or it can be x square is equal to minus 4ay. Both are possible. Now, a point is given 5 comma 2 through which it passes. This can be taken as x comma y. Value of x is going to be 5. Value of y is going to be equal to. Substitute the value of x and y in equation of parabola. Find the value of a. Then again substitute the value of a back in the equation of parabola. Okay. Now, to find the value of a, x square is equal to 4ay. The value of x is taken as 5. I can write 5 square is equal to 4 multiplied by a multiplied by y is 2. 25 is going to be equal to 8a. The value of a is going to be 25 divided by 8. I have got the value of A. Now the value of A must be substituted back in this particular equation. That is going to be my final answer. Substituting A back in this particular equation, x square is equal to 4 multiplied by A. A is 25 divided by 8. Multiplied by y should be kept as it is. X square is going to be, this is 1 time, this is 2 times. I will be getting 25 y divided by 2. Cross multiplying, I'll be getting the final answer as 2x square is going to be equal to 25. This will be my final answer.